Hi guys, welcome to the Declan channel. Today's video, we are making southern style collard green. Holidays are approaching and you need this recipe in your pocket. You will need for this recipe collard green, of course, any type of smoked meat, smoked bacon, onion, bell pepper, any color of your choice, garlic and ginger. So guys, we will start by washing thoroughly our smoked meat. When we're done washing our meat, we're going to put it in our cooking pan and add some water to it. Then we're going to add some diced onion. And guys, here's the surprise, our African spice. This spice is called country onion and it's in powder shape. Guys, if you can get it, get it. It's going to make your collard green taste amazing. And next we have black pepper. Yes, I know it's not black, it looks white. It's because it's Cameroonian black pepper. It tastes amazing as well. And I'm going to drop some bay leaves also. We are going to add some salt. The amount of salt is up to you. And we are going to add also some bouillon cubes. Guys, you want this broth to be tasty and good because that's where our collard green is going to sit for a long time, and you want the collard green to suck all the flavor of the broth. Our next spice to add into our broth is ginger. So I'm grating ginger and I'm going to grate garlic as well. So guys, after adding all our spices, we are going to cover our pot and let it cook on medium low for about an hour. We will look at it from time to time, guys. We want our meat to be tender, okay? So while our meat is cooking, we are going to work on our collard green. So we will have to remove the leaves from the big stem like I'm doing. Now that I have the leaves only, I'm going to remove the stems in the middle. I don't like the stem that much, but this stage is optional. If you like that, you can keep it. It's up to you. We are done, and our next step will be to cut our collard green. So guys, I'm going to show you how I cut my collard green, and you can cut it anyhow or any size you want. So you want to lay them the way I'm showing you and then cut them as big or as small as you want. It's up to you at this point. After we are done cutting our leaves, it's time to clean them up. And to do so, we will need apple cider vinegar. The amount is as much as you want. And salt, the amount as well is as much as you want. And water. We are going to let our collard green soak in that mixture for about 45 minutes. Because guys, we want our green to get that, little sour taste from the apple cider vinegar. So you're going to mix it the way I'm doing to make sure that your greens are well soaked in. Guys, it's about an hour and our meat is ready. So I'm going to remove the meat from the pot and we are going to add our onion, green pepper and bacon that we diced. We want our meat on the side so it can cool off so we can process it properly. After we're done adding the bacon, we are going to go over the sink and wash our collard green and add it into our pot. So guys, after adding all our collard green in our broth, we will cook our green for 45 minutes on medium low. 45 minutes medium low, and then we will add our meat. So guys, it's been 45 minutes. Here is our meat. I'm going to remove the bones off of it, and this is what you see, and I'm going to add it into my pot, and I'm going to cover it for 45 more minutes. The big secret here, guys, is to cook your collard green very slow for a long time. That's why we are setting our heat on medium low, and we are cooking it for 45 minutes each time. We want our collard green to get all the smoky flavor from the meat and the bacon, and to have all the flavor we put in our broth. Our collard green is ready. It's ready to be served, guys. Now we have our plate. There we go, guys. Our collard green is ready. There you go, guys. We are done cooking our collard green, and I hope you guys are going to try it for the holidays, okay? Happy holiday to you guys, and hope to see you soon. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.